Hey guys, how's it going? So today I'm going to talk to you guys about quick connects. So these are quick connectors. They would quickly allow you to connect two pieces of gardening equipment, your garden hose to your nozzle, to a spray wand, to a sprinkler if you wanted to, and they work quite easily. You can see this end is a female thread. This end is a female connector for here, and then this is a male connector. So this would screw into a nozzle, this would screw into your garden hose, and then the cool way that these connect is this ring right here, as you can see, slides up and down, allowing for this male connector on the quick connect set to just quickly insert in, and you can hear the click. You can see that they're secure. And the one thing that's nice about this is it has a little plastic O-ring right here, which prevents any kind of leaking once you connect this in. So I had given these a try on my do-it-yourself irrigation manifold. The biggest issue with them that you can see here, so this is 3/4 of an inch. You can see the opening. This is 3/4 of an inch, which is garden hose thread. But then you can see down here, it starts tapering down to a smaller opening, and you can see the opening here compared to 3/4 inch to how big this is. So I mean, just to show you, so this is garden hose that I was using on my irrigation manifold. You can see it quickly goes on, and then the other end, if it was on my manifold, you can see just pops right on, pops right off. Really convenient, really easy. Depending on what set you get, they can quickly add up in price. These ones were not too bad. It breaks out to about, I think, 10 bucks or 11 bucks each set on Amazon. So I had these hooked up to my irrigation manifold. The only thing I was worrying about, since my my sprinkler system is hooked up to my spigot, my biggest concern is flow rate. So you could see here, the opening here from 3/4 inch, obviously you see it tapers down. So what this is doing right here, since the opening narrows, it's increasing the pressure, which is not bad, but it also restricts flow. So I designed my system based on my flow rate, and I feel like this, while it still seems like it's working, I feel like it's not working to the best of its ability, because the flow rate is restricted right here because of this narrow opening. So someone had recommended that I look into these other quick connect sets. They're a little bit more expensive. They're about double the price of one of these sets here. It's made by a company called Eley, E-L-E-Y, and you can see they come in this nice little fancy kind of casing, I guess, to protect it from shipping. But we'll open it up here. And the first thing that you can see, well, they have some lubrication on the O-ring, which is good to have. So it even has a little warning right here saying, please keep O-ring lubricated, and that's just to make sure that you get the longest life and most usage out of it before it dries out, and then you start possibly seeing some leaks. But just kind of putting these side by side, you could see the size of these things. So right here on the bottom, and the one thing that you will notice is that these are kind of reversed in how they operate. So here, the Gorilla Easy, the male end is on the female quick connect. Here, it's female and female. And then same thing here, this is female and male. So the Gorilla Quick Connect is kind of unique in that sense, but I guess they make you kind of use their products. And like I said, they're reasonably priced. I think a set of them is about 35 bucks for three quick connect sets on Amazon, which is not bad. These ones, each one runs you about $22, $23 on Eley's website, but they do come with a 10-year warranty, which is nice. But you could see just side by side the size of them. This is the same thing. This quick connect ring slides up and down to let you lock in. You can just see the size of it. It really allows you to kind of see the difference. I mean, this thing is massive compared to this. And the only reason why that is so big is, we'll see right here, this is actually 3/4 inch, 3/4 inch, but we'll look at the top and you can see side by side there is no tapering off here on the Eley where there is here on the Gorilla Easy Connect. So that is the one reason why I decided to give these a try. You can see it's true 3/4 inch garden hose openings in the back and the front. So this right here will maintain the water pressure that's coming out of my spigot, but it will also allow for the extra flow that this will restrict. So these are probably, from what I've been told, the best quick connects on the market. And same way, like, you just hold the ring back, pop this in, and you can hear it snap. And that's it. And you can feel the tension. It's not going to let go. So these are what I am going to be connecting to my irrigation manifold right now, and I'm going to head over there right now and set this up.